So now let's go ahead and learn how to post. Um, on the home page, if you scroll down, you'll see at the sidebar at the very bottom it says Meta. Click Login, and your login is going to be different. I'll give you that password. But it already filled mine. I'm going to go ahead and click Remember Me anyway, and then login. And this is this is called the dashboard. This is where all of your settings are going to be. It's like the behind the scenes everything. So we have all of this stuff over here, basically themes and plugins and all these things that you don't need to worry about. The only thing that you need to worry about is posts. So I'm going to go ahead and click posts, and you'll see that these are all the posts that came up on the front page. From the link tab, I'm sorry. So from here, we can go into our old ones, and you kind of see how I made this one. It has a title up here, and it has the message up here, and we have two different ways of seeing this text, which you're going to want to be on visual. If we click text, it's basically the formatting of it. So sometimes you'll see like tags and all of this coding going on, and you'll just want to go back to the visual tag, and I'll show you what that looks like in another post. We have our publish, so do you want to publish it right now? So you can change the date, and you can take the date back in time to 2012, or you can set it to a future date and it'll post that for you at that time. So if you have something early, you can put it online and change the date to the date that you want it to publish, and then click update. So we can set it to April 20th or whatever, and it'll post that day. Down here we have our format, and there are all these different formats, but the only ones that you're going to need to worry about are standard, where we have a standard post, nothing has changed to it, it has a title, and it has the type, and it has the text here. We have a link, which basically says whatever the first link is on the page, make sure the title links back to that as well. So that's going to be a big one. And then we have status. And status is just text, and it's big text, and I'm going to show you what this one looks like. We're going to say update, and we can go ahead and go back. Oh, I changed the date on when it was posting, so I needed to post now. So now it's already posted, and we go back to the main site, and there it is. And this is what a status post looks like. Just big text right in your face. This is a normal post, so it just has the title and it has a little bit of text, and then we have a link post, which it has this little arrow, and it basically means it's going to take you somewhere else. So we click this, and you can see the PDF comes up. But if we click a normal post, it just takes you to the blog page, to that post, and that's it. So you can read it individually. So we're going to go ahead and go back. So I'm back in posts, and I'm on Local321 t-shirts. And I'm going to go to all posts. And to add a new post, we're going to say add new. And we're going to call this going green. Test. And we can say, well, no, I don't want to type in anything yet. So just put your title in, and you click add media. And this one is named witness statement. We can put that in, or we can upload a new file. So we go to upload files, select files, it's taking a second, and we'll just say the wage chart, sure. So we click the wage chart, and And you don't have to worry about any of this. And we'll click Insert into Post. And there it is right there, and that's what it's going to say. And if you want to change that, oh, I accidentally added 2 files here. So you can see, and I'm going to show you how that happened. When I clicked Add Media, I had, well, essentially I had 2 of these highlighted. So you can see the little check mark there. Well, I don't want that one checked. So I'm just going to say Wage Chart, Insert into Post, and now we can change the name of this to anything that we want. So Wage Chart, yada yada. And then if we go down, we can add a short description about it. This is the wage chart for blah 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 blah. And since we have a link, we're going to want this. I'm going to go ahead and name this wage chart. We're going to want this to be a link page. So we say link and publish immediately. Great. And we click publish. Now we go to our home site, and you'll see there it is. And we could just click wage chart. It pops right up. So back in the dashboard, I was just clicking back there. Go into posts. Another thing we can do that's really special is categories. This is these are all the categories that this post falls into. So right now it's not categorized, but you see these other ones. I added years to them. It says 2013, 2012. Let me show you how those look on the home page. So we have these different categories that these fall into. So I made a 2012 category because you don't post that often. So maybe about 30 a year, I would assume. So 2012, 30 pages isn't too many to sift through. So now we have everything from 2012 that was in that category. And same thing goes for 2013. We only have the one thing in here. But also we can do things like events. So you can keep people up to date that way. You can send them to the home page and then just click events under categories. And now you know, oh, that's when the branch meeting is. That's when this other branch meeting is. And it lists these by the latest ones. So August 4th, 2012, going back to June 22nd to June 20th. So yeah. And how we can use those categories and how we set this up, go back to the dashboard, click posts. Right now this one's uncategorized, so we go into wage chart, and down here we have our category section, and we click 2013. Let's say this is for members and new members and officers. Sure, and we click update. We can go back home, and nothing changes on the actual post itself, but you'll see in the categories section we didn't have anything filed under members or new members or officers. So go ahead and click new members, and there's the wage chart. So they have things to look out for. So go back. Actually, I'm just going to go back to the main dashboard. Go to posts. And a faster way to do this, to add categories, say you forgot to do it on the last 3 posts, is we can just hover over, and you'll see the quick edit icon. So we click quick edit, and we have all these categories where we can check them now. So I'm going to just uncheck these and check fun and update that. Now you can see 2013 fun uncategorized. So the Local321 picnic isn't categorized right now. So let's just do a quick edit of that, add that to events, and 2012, and update. And now I'm going to show you how to add categories. So we go to under post, you'll see we have these categories and tags. Don't worry about tags. Categories, and click that. And here are the lists. Here's the list of all the categories that we can do. So events, fun, members, new members. And if you want to add one, so we'll just call this one test. Just add the name here. Don't worry about the slug. Don't worry about a parent. And don't worry about the description. And we just click add new category. And now we can go back to our posts. And under quick edit, we have test right there. And updates. And then we go back to the home page. And now test is in our categories. And there's the wage chart. Alright. Now back to the dashboard. Let's see. That pretty much covers everything. If you have any questions, like on how to add a PDF, you can refer back to this video, or just give me a call and let me know what you need. Alright, thank you.